After the head comes out of the CNC machine, it's sent back over to the assembly bench after it's been cleaned. We're gonna watch these guys put the heads together. We've seen the flow bench, we've seen the digitizer, we've been down and seen the CNC machines working, porting the heads. Okay, you've done everything you can do. How do you actually know that this is going to work when the customer bolts it on?
Well, you're right. We've got all these great tools to measure the heads, and we can flow them, we can digitize them, and we can actually get them downstairs. But the true test is to actually take them to the roller and get them on that dyno and actually see what they're going to do for horsepower.
Okay, we've watched the head exchange process. Guess what? Maybe you don't want to take the time. Maybe your head's trashed. Well, S&S has a whole warehouse full of heads here ready to go. You give them a call, order the head, they FedEx it out to you. Tomorrow, you're back on your bike and you're riding.